Hey guys, might have to excuse the wind noise, just a quick update on the Collaro turntable decks. I am still working on them. There was an issue with one of the decks. The motor, one of the coils is no longer connected, so I'll have to get that rewound, but I'll look into doing that soon. The actual unit, I've been rubbing the paint down for repainting. Checked for lead paint, it was not lead paint, that was the test area there. They go pink after a while anyway. What I did find was that at some point the deck was probably actually just polished. There's a better spot here. I'm not going to go back down that path. I think I'm just going to paint it again. Haven't decided on colour. The bottom was rotten beyond the ability to be saved. So I've just cut a piece out here, and I don't really claim to be a carpenter, but it should hold. All the hardware's been rust soaked and ready for painting again. But yeah, that's where we are with that.